Alright. That's with every time we use the sanitaire, when we're done, we take the pump off. That really saves them to last a long time.
And the brush bar is pretty clean.
Well,
This was vacuumed by the housekeeper.
this
so.
is a carpet that's about 4 to 6 months old. The
Put that
person
on a
lived
second.
here and moved out. They vacuumed themselves, the resident.
This new carpet, yeah.
And then there's a good housekeeper who works here that vacuums 2 directions like we do, so it's pretty clean.
We'll show the bag dump because, like you may have seen in some of our other videos, brand new carpets have a lot of dirt in them. So there's a good chance there's a lot of fine dirt in the bag. Let's see the fan. You can see the fan chamber's pretty clean.
But don't be
No hairs
disappointed.
around the spindle or
If
anything.
there's not a lot of dirt, this thing's been vacuumed by the person that lived here and the housekeeper, so it may not be too dirty, but at least we know it's vacuumed for us.
There'll be a fair amount, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and get on with our carpet cleaning. We'll do a bag dump video when we get back home. We'll show you guys what was in here. So stay tuned for that.